wild Shay. How neat!
Here we are pointing to the point source of a primary pollutant, carbon dioxide. Not neat. Wait. Oh, wait, red alert! When you're on your nature walk, always make sure you have a flag. I broke my trach. Not neat. But watch out for radon poisoning. That's not neat.
There's legit ticks. There's legit ticks. Ticks are not neat. Can you get it off of me? Oh my god! Tick check, guys. So we have this one, and we got one in the back of my leg.
Oh, yeah.
We should name them. All right.
Frank, Albert, and Pasta.
Frank, Albert, Pasta.
Really big inchworm. How neat.
Sewer. Nothing. Look at the biodiversity.
Biodiversity in North Ending High School is immaculate.
No, that's...
A worm. How neat.
Why use the trash when you can use the recycling?
How neat. We are approaching the scene of the tick crimes. Poor Erica. A wild Nick. How neat.
I do. That's neat.